This is Eric. He is a 6-year-old boy who uses the S for the SH sound. Today I'm going to elicit the SH sound in 3 different ways. First, we're going to do progressive approximation or shaping. We're going to go from your S sound, like that snake sound. Now look at my mouth. I'm rounding it like this. So I want you to do the S and then around your mouth. A little more round. There you go. Do you hear the SH sound? Shh. One more time. Good job. Alright. Next, we're going to do modification of other sounds. We're going to pretend like he doesn't have the S sound, but he has the T sound. So we're going to do the exploding T technique to get the S sound first. So do your T. On the last one, I wanted to make it exploding. Go really hard. Like, okay? Ready? Do you hear the S sound at the end? Do it again. Now that he has that S sound, we can go from the T to the S and round your mouth at the end. So hold out that S sound and then round your mouth, okay? So, round your mouth. Good job. Now we're going to do motor kinesthetic. Put on my gloves. Right. Now make your S sound like the hissing snake. Good job. Alright, that's the end of this video.